So I finally looped my chain and cleaned up the bike. Watch. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So I used my synthetic chain loop from Kawasaki and kind of sprayed it on the chain right there, and did that and then spun the tire. They actually say you should spin it backwards, but anyway, I got some lube on the chain, but as you can see, it's kind of messy. The bike is dirty, and I have a very healthy leak going on there. Should be about 60 degrees today, and that's gas just sitting on the engine. Everything is wet. Not an ideal situation. So I'm gonna take the bike and not really power wash, just hose it down, and hopefully that helps. All right, we got that on start, and fire it up. I don't want to run it too long with the gas leaking like that, so I'll take it over, spray some water, get it clean, and maybe go for a ride to bring the gas level down, because I think I overfilled it. For a bike that is going to be parked, I put in too much gas. There was some pressure. I don't know if you guys see, but I filled it last time pretty much to the top. Push. Got that. All right, I don't want to run it too long, get it too hot, so I'll take it, hose it down, get off the dirt and the dust, and then see if I have enough time to go for a quick ride. Catch you guys when I'm doing the wash down. There we go, we got some water. I'm trying to avoid using high pressure, because apparently that seeps into areas that need to be lubed and greased. So I'm just using a natural pressure from the faucet. Yeah, low pressure doesn't do the best kind of cleaning, but it works. Right, looks a little bit better than before, and the chain loop seems to keep the water away. Seems to be hydrophobic. All right, that looks about right. Thanks for watching, guys.